In this video, you will learn how to transcribe voice message in WhatsApp. Many people use voice messages to communicate because they are quick and easy. However, sometimes you may want to read the message instead of listening to it. This is where transcription comes in handy. I will guide you through the steps to convert voice messages into text. To get started, open up the WhatsApp application on your device. Once you're in, tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, look for chats and tap on it in this section. Find an option called Voice Message Transcripts. You'll want to toggle on the switch next to it to enable transcription. Next, tap on Choose Music Language. A list of languages will pop up. Select the language that corresponds to most of the voice messages you receive. WhatsApp will then download the necessary data for that language onto your device. If you ever need to change this transcript language later, simply return here and tap on Transcript Language now that everything is set up. Go back to your chats list. Open any conversation containing a voice message that you wish to transcribe. Once inside that chat, locate the voice message, long press on it until options appear from this menu of options. Select Transcribe, and just like that, the voice message will be transcribed instantly. The transcribed text will appear neatly below your original audio message for easy reading.